If you encounter any issues while using the app, please contact us through online support. We are glad to assist you. Open the app and tap the Me icon. On this page, you can update account information, share your device with friends, or tap About Us to check for app updates. You can also set different languages here. After finishing mapping, tap Device on the app homepage, then select the More Settings icon in the upper right. You can customize Genie according to your preferences. Schedule, set mowing time, frequency, and height. Click Save to complete the scheduling. Do Not Disturb, set Genie's no work periods, and click Save to activate. Map Management, edit, expand, or delete existing maps. Rain and snow perception. When it's on, Genie will automatically stop working when it rains. Voice settings. Adjust voice broadcast volume and language. Network settings. Connect via Bluetooth first, then proceed with network configuration. Firmware Update. Genie supports OTA updates, allowing you to choose the upgrade time. Anti-theft mode. Enable or disable security mode and the anti-theft alarm function. Upload the log. Assist developers in troubleshooting machine bugs. Manual control. After pairing successfully, remotely control Genie to the designated location. Reset PIN code. The PIN code is required for pairing. Please keep it secure. Restore factory settings. This function will restore Genie to its initial settings. Rename device. Easily customize your machine's name for personalized management. Mowing records. Track Genie's complete work history with detailed logs of every operation. Device info. Access all of Genie's key information in one convenient dashboard. User manual. Official step-by-step guides to help you master Genie's operation quickly and precisely.